In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism on Grammarly Premium in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a writer, or simply someone who has a keen eye on maintaining originality in your work, Grammarly offers a robust toolset to ensure your text remains unique. First and foremost, let's head over to Grammarly. Open your browser and click on the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account yet, now is a great time to create one. For those who already have an account, simply click on the I have an account option. This will prompt you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your email. After typing in your email, proceed by clicking on continue. It's important to ensure you're using the email associated with your Grammarly Premium account to access all features available. Once you're logged into your Grammarly homepage, you'll be navigating through a wealth of writing tools. But today we are focusing on plagiarism detection. If you're working on a document you'd like to check, you'll first want to open it in Google Docs. Head over to Google Docs and select the document you want to examine for originality. With your document open in Google Docs, look for the Grammarly icon, which is typically located on the right side toolbar. Click on this icon to activate Grammarly. Upon activation, you'll likely see grammatical suggestions first, but since our focus is on plagiarism, you'll need to scroll down to find this particular feature. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the option that says Check for Plagiarism and AI Text. Go ahead and click on this. Grammarly will now start scanning your document for potential plagiarism. This process might take a few moments depending on the length of your text. It's comparing your document against billions of web pages and academic papers. Once completed, it will highlight any phrase or sentence that matches text found elsewhere. This is a crucial step for anyone seeking to finalize a manuscript or academic paper, or even posting content online, as it aids in mitigating any unintentional duplication. And there you have it, you've successfully checked your document for plagiarism using Grammarly Premium. This tool is an indispensable ally in ensuring your writing is both polished and original. Remember, maintaining originality not only builds trust with your audience, but also protects you from potential copyright issues. So keep